You missed your bus by 10 seconds. You failed a test by only 1 point. You lost your job and the rent is due. What do you say in English? If you only know bad luck, you're missing out on how native speakers actually communicate. Today, we're going beyond the textbook. I'm teaching you 20 essential expressions with the word luck. Each one comes with real-life examples and a visual to help it stick in your memory forever. And stick around until the middle of the video, where I'll show you how changing the sound of your voice can completely change the meaning of a phrase, from "I'm sorry" to "I don't care." Let's start with the first definition of the noun luck and learn how to use it naturally in conversation. Meaning number 1, good things that happen to you by chance, not because of your own efforts or abilities.
This has a positive feeling. It's commonly used when we want to encourage or support someone. We might say lots of luck to a friend or family member to support them. When the word luck has no adjectives in front of it, good luck or bad luck, it is usually understood as positive. Here are a few ways luck is used in English conversation. In all these examples, the meaning of luck is good. We often say with some luck, with any luck, with a little luck, to show we have a chance of success at something. I have to finish this big assignment before Wednesday. It's almost done, and with some luck, I think I can have it ready. With a little luck, there won't be heavy traffic tonight, and I can get home early. To be in luck means lucky.
I forgot to bring a sweater. It will be cold tonight.
You're in luck. I have an extra sweater in my car. This means you are lucky because I have an extra sweater that you can wear. The opposite of in luck is out of luck.
Are there any donuts left? I saw some this morning in the break room.
Sorry, they're all gone. You're out of luck. There are no donuts for you. Unlucky. To have no luck means to not have good luck, to not be lucky. I want to move, but I've had no luck finding an apartment that I can afford that is close to my office. This means I've had no success trying to find an apartment that is good for me. I'm not lucky. Luck can run out. This also means to not be lucky. Kelly was on a 9-game winning streak, but she lost her match yesterday. I guess her luck ran out. A winning streak is when you win several games in a row. You win back to back. Meaning number 2. Chance, the force that causes good or bad things to happen to people. This version of luck is often used with the adjectives good and bad. Both refer to something that happened that was beyond your control. That something had a positive or negative effect. Good luck. I shot a hole-in-one on Saturday. I'm really not a good golfer. It was just good luck. The most common way we use the phrase good luck is to encourage someone before a game, a job interview, test, or other challenge or event in their life.
My chemistry final is tomorrow.
Good luck. It's also common to ask someone for luck when you have a big challenge or event with the phrase, wish me luck. I'm running my first half marathon tomorrow. Wish me luck. Bad luck. Bad luck is something that you can have or experience because of something negative that was out of your control. We planned a huge family picnic on Sunday, but there was a big thunderstorm, so we had to cancel. What bad luck. The noun luck can be used with other positive and negative adjectives too. I overslept this morning and I was late for work. My boss got called away to New York yesterday, so no one noticed that I was late. What amazing luck! I was very lucky. Many of my family members traveled a long way for the picnic. What terrible luck. What awful luck. Any luck? This is used to ask somebody if they have been successful with something.
I asked for a raise this morning.
Any luck?
He said the company doesn't have the money right now.
Ask me again in 3 months.
As luck would have it. In the way that chance decides what will happen. I had an important meeting this morning, and, as luck would have it, there was a big traffic jam on Main Street. We can say bad luck or tough luck to show sympathy for somebody. Bad luck, Kelly. You played very well. This has the feeling that it was not Kelly's fault that she lost. It was because of bad luck.
I failed the test by only 1 point.
1 point? Wow, that's tough luck. These sentences show sympathy for the person you are talking to. The noun sympathy means a feeling of being sorry for somebody, showing that you understand and care about somebody's problems. I'm sorry you lost. I'm sorry you failed. Tough luck can also be used to show that you do not feel sorry for somebody who has a problem.
The donuts are gone? I didn't get one today.
Tough luck, you ate 4 yesterday. The fact that you don't care is usually clear by the sound of your voice. Compare these two examples. 1 point? Wow, that's tough luck. Tough luck, you ate 4 yesterday. To be down on your luck means to have no money because of a period of bad luck.
I haven't seen Brad lately.
I talked to him yesterday. He just lost his job. He's really down on his luck. The best of luck with something. Good luck with something. Used to wish somebody success with something. I heard you have to make a big presentation at work on Monday. Best of luck. Better luck next time. This is used to encourage somebody who has not been successful at something.
I applied for a manager position at my company, but I didn't get it.
Better luck next time. For luck. Because you believe it will bring good luck. Or because this is a traditional belief. They are deciding who gets the new manager position today. Honey, give me a kiss for luck. I found an interesting key in the forest when I was 11. It's in my wallet now. I always carry it for luck. An item that you keep for luck is called a good luck charm. The key is my good luck charm. Good luck to somebody. This is used to say that you do not mind what somebody does as it does not affect you, but you hope they will be successful. Owen has joined a group trying to climb K2. It seems dangerous, so I wouldn't want to try, but good luck to him. Just my luck. Just somebody's luck. This is used to show you are not surprised that something bad has happened to you because you are not often lucky. It's raining? I'm supposed to play golf this afternoon. Just my luck. The luck of the draw. The fact that chance decides something in a way that you cannot control. The tournament matches are chosen by lottery. You may face a strong team or a weak team in the first round. It's the luck of the draw. No such luck. This is used to show disappointment that something you were hoping for did not happen.
Did you get an easy match in the first round of the tournament?
No such luck. We have to play last year's champions. Push your luck. To take a risk because you have successfully avoided problems in the past. The last time you were late, the boss was away. But don't push your luck. Eventually, you're going to get caught. Try your luck. To do something that involves risk or luck, hoping to succeed. After James had to close his cafe in the mall, he decided to open a new one beside the movie theater. He wants to try his luck at a new location. Now we know 20 expressions and idioms to talk about luck in our own English conversations.
Which of these was just your luck lately? Tell me your story in the comments using one of these new idioms.